Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Honda Motocompo. It's new for 2025. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Honda Motocompo out of its box. Now let's see what are the details and what's it's missing. So first of all, it's a very tiny thing. It's not a big bike, it's actually a tiny bike, and if I'm not wrong, it's electric. So first of all, you will see this red paint. I think Honda has done a lot of red bikes in the past, so it's a Honda thing. Also Ducati, I guess. But in the side it says Honda Motocompo and Hotwheels. Tiny single seat, handlebar with turn indicators here, which are not detailed. These I think are mirrors. I'm not sure, but you've got a detailed headlamp. That's good. Tiny wheel. Small thing. You can see the shock absorbers up front. Again, not a lot of detail. Obviously, it's a small scale. You can't find much of the details. You also see the rear wheel, and most probably this is the driving belt, like you see on CVTs. That might be the same belt thing on electric one too. I'm assuming that's a rear tail lamp. I'm not sure, I haven't seen one in real life. And this place might be for the number plate. Coming on the other side, the difference, I can see there is a stand here. Footrests were the same on both the sides. I don't know if it might be an engine, it might be a kick here. I'm not sure if it's a, might have to Google. Might be a Kickstarter. Not sure, or maybe a brake pedal. I'm not sure. If you know something about it, do comment at the in this video. I might have to Google about it. It looks like an interesting thing. So I can't really compare because I haven't seen one before, so I can't really compare how close it is to the actual thing. But obviously, being such a tiny scale and Hot Wheels, it's not going to be very detailed, like close to the original, but still it looks good. And with this stand, side stand, you can leave it so it stands. That's good too. Now, question is, should you get one? If you like bikes, quirky bikes, you should get this one. It's got good details. If you just like collecting Hot Wheels, still you should get one. But if you're not into stuff like this, then you might leave it out. But I like it. I've got a few bikes from Hot Wheels. This will go well with that. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.